to you, Spanish ladies, farewell and adieu. To you, ladies of Spain, for we've received orders to sail for old England, but we hope in a short time to see you again. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the salt seas until we strike soundings in the channel of old England. From Newsham to Scilly, 'tis 35 leagues. We haul our ship to with a wind from southwest, boys. We haul our ship to deep soundings to take. 'Twas 45 fathoms with a wide sandy bottom, so we scored our main yard and up channel did make. Now let every man drink of his full bumper, and let every man drink of his full glass. We'll drink and be jolly and drown melancholy, and here's to the health of each true-hearted lad. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the salt seas until we strike soundings in the channel of old England. From Newsham to Scilly, these 35 leagues. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the salt seas until we strike soundings in the channel of old England. From Newsham to Scilly, this 35 leagues.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.